So it's going to be part 2 of the video. Right now we've got the bed off. We used a cherry picker, engine hoist, 4 straps. That was very helpful. So right now what we're doing is using a product called Awesome Pure Concentrate, put it in a spray bottle, and we're going to spray this whole frame down, and we're going to use that pressure washer over there, get it nice and cleaned up, get all the debris, oil residue off. That way when we start cutting and welding, you know, won't have extra flames. Most likely that fuel tank there is going to be raised up by 1 inch to clear on the job or relocated. I'd highly suggest doing this. Really cleans things up nicely. So stay tuned. So after taking the bed off using an engine hoist cherry picker, about 4 straps, it comes off pretty good. Got it laying right over there on some horses. So we're going to start on the back end first. We use Awesome Pure Concentrate with a spray bottle. So you want to spray the frame down real good, get all the oil and grease, get it saturated, and then use the, you know, any pressure washer will work. Just pressure wash real good. As you can tell, I mean, there's quite a bit of fill coming off of it. It's cleaned up really good. So you want to do that. Get it cleaned up nice, because when you start welding and cutting, if there's oil, grease, you know, that's not a good thing to weld on. Obviously it'll flame up, affect your weld. So you just want to clean up really nicely, and trust me, you'll thank me later if you do this. But once we get the C-notch and everything done, that's when, you know, we'll start painting it. You can see that fuel tank over there. Most likely we're going to have to raise it up at least 1 inch for the drop. You know, you definitely don't want the gas tank to connect to the ground. So you can either try to lift it or relocate it. So I'm going to try to lift it, I believe. If that gives me little problems, I don't feel good about it, I'll just relocate it. Most likely maybe across the center frame where that cross member is right there, or on the inside the bed somewhere, but probably in between the frame near the cross member. So if you like these videos, like and subscribe. We'll continue all the way through the process, start to finish. And if you bagging your C10 Squarebody, I think this video will come in handy. This is a 78 Squarebody that we're working on. I've got 22-inch wheels that are going to go on here. So these weld wheels, you know, they're going to go bye-bye. Very popular, but most likely I'll sell them. I have no need for them. So yeah, just clean up the frame real good. Use a good pressure washer. Use that Awesome right there. Pure concentrate. No need to mix it. You want it as strong as possible to get that frame nice and clean. So like and subscribe. Keep following it.